Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you if you can add your Susha card to your Google Wallet. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so there's an important thing to note. So Susha cards are currently not supported in Google Wallet. They can only be added to Apple Wallet or iPhones or managed through the Susha app or JR's East Mobile Susha app on Android, but not via Google Wallet. But if you are using Android and want to use Susha, you can still use Susha on Android through Google Pay, but not Google Wallet. And here's how to do it. Alright, so we want to go ahead and download the Susha app or mobile Susha app from the Google Play Store, but this is for Japan only. And then open the app and sign in or create a JR East account. Then choose to create a new Susha card or register a physical card. Once added, your Susha card will be available to use via Google Pay. Then you can charge or add money to the card directly in the app using a Japanese credit card or through convenience store terminals.